In a world drowning in noise, overthinking, and constant distraction, thinking clearly is a superpower. But how do we master this power? What if the ancient Stoics, alongside the genius of Aristotle, held the answer? In today's video, we explore 6 timeless Stoic lessons on the art of thinking clearly, refined through the lens of Aristotle's wisdom and his philosophy of rational excellence. This is not just ancient theory, it's a guide for modern minds. Welcome to Aristotle, the channel where ancient philosophy meets modern mastery. Lesson 1. Separate what you can control. Clarity begins when we stop trying to control the uncontrollable. Epictetus taught that our suffering comes not from events, but from our judgment of them. Aristotle would agree. He believed reason's role is to govern desires, not the world itself. Instead of reacting emotionally, the rational mind observes, pauses, and responds with virtue. Polymath insight. Modern neuroscience confirms this. The prefrontal cortex, our center for reason, activates best when we're calm. So remember, mastery begins with mindful detachment. Lesson 2. Use logos, not emotion. The Stoics believed in living according to logos, the rational principle of the universe. Aristotle took it further. He said, man is the rational animal. That's our unique edge. Thinking clearly means not letting emotion cloud judgment. Emotion is useful, but not in control. Aristotle's golden mean teaches us balance. Too little emotion is apathy. Too much is chaos. Wisdom is using emotion as a signal, but reason as the captain. Lesson 3. Examine first principles. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius constantly asked, what is this thing really? This method of stripping away illusions mirrors Aristotle's approach of first principles thinking. Instead of thinking in layers of opinion or assumption, break it down. What is the essence? What are the causes? Aristotle's 4 causes, material, formal, efficient, and final, are a masterclass in clear thought. Clear thinking isn't about more information, it's about going deeper. Lesson 4. Train your inner dialogue. Stoics trained themselves to talk wisely to themselves. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Meditations not for the world, but for his own mind." He rewired his brain with reasoned reflection. Aristotle believed virtue is a habit, and our thoughts shape that habit. So next time your mind says, I can't handle this, reply with Aristotle's question, what would the rational man do? Clarity comes from repetition, repeating truth until it becomes instinct. Lesson 5. Understand your telos, purpose. The Stoics believed in living in alignment with nature. Aristotle sharpened this idea into one word, telos, your ultimate purpose. Every human action aims towards some good, but to think clearly, you must know your highest aim. Ask yourself, what am I ultimately aiming for? What virtues lead me there? Without telos, the mind wanders. With it, it aligns like an arrow to a target. Purpose clears the fog. Lesson 6. Live in accordance with time. Stoicism and Aristotle both valued living in harmony with time. The Stoics taught presence, focusing only on what is now. Aristotle introduced 2 concepts of time, Chronos, clock time, and Kairos, the right time. Thinking clearly means knowing when to act and when to pause. Clarity isn't speed, it's timing. It's choosing the right moment, guided by wisdom, not impulse. These 6 lessons aren't just ancient insights, they're tools. Tools to clean your mental lens, to separate truth from noise, and to sharpen your judgment in an age of distraction. Remember, control what you can, lead with reason, break things down, train your self-talk, align with purpose, honor the right time. This is how Aristotle and the Stoics taught us to think clearly. If this video lit a spark in your mind, consider subscribing to Aristotle, where timeless wisdom shapes powerful minds. Like, subscribe, comment. Which of these lessons spoke most deeply to you? Until next time, Stay wise, stay clear, stay Aristotle.